Hey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. MBO Backyard Fixes. Whoa, that's interesting. What's going on there? Let's take a gander. What do we got? What are we looking at? This is a Toro recycler, and it has one of those, it's a GTS 6.0 horsepower. So you've seen it smoke. That is what's going on with it. Here is the model number. So the last one I didn't get it for you, but there we go. See if that works at all. All right. So he complained that it smoked, so he went and bought a different one. And the oil is black as can be. So first thing, let's check the oil, see what's going on with it. And you guys can see the full mark. Full mark is right here, and the oil's way, I don't know, what is that, 1.5 inches above the full mark. So he's got way too much oil in it. Now this is an older machine. This isn't one of those never change your oil. So you know how they say never change your oil, just add oil. So he has no excuse of just keep adding oil to it. Hey, it's smoking, let's add some oil. It needs oil. But anyways, let's get this oil emptied out, then we'll see what we can do. Look how much oil is just pouring out of that thing. While the oil is draining, we are going to be taking off the blade, sharpening it, and it is a 5/8. Yep, a 5/8. Deck doesn't look too bad. We are going to scrape some of that off, and we'll check out the belts. So when you sharpen the blade, you know, I have one of those big giant vices that probably weigh, I don't know, seems like it weighs 30 pounds, but I went out and got this D-vise by Dremel. It is a nice little vise, light, that will hold your blade, and I got it off the Facebook Marketplace for $5. So when you sharpen your blade, there you go. Something easy to hold that while you do it. Now let's take a little look and scrape some of this off. See what's going on. It's really not that bad. So we'll be able to wash that off. Now, if you guys were interested, this right here is actually where you would drain your oil instead of tipping it over. So you would remove this and the oil would drain out of there. That's the drain oil plug. But it's just easier to tip it over because you're tipping it over to take off the blades and to clean underneath. So remember, don't just put your impact on this and drill it in. So you want to hand tighten it nice like that. Then you want to use your impact on it. You want to tighten it up. There we go. Looks good and tight to me. Oh, by the way, this I got at the auction for 10 bucks. So, comes in handy. You can look at my auction videos and you can see me win stuff like this. Alright, by now the oil should be all drained out. Man, and that's a lot of oil in that one. Just a tad too much, guys. Just a tad too much. So, on your dipstick, hopefully it says, you can read it right there, 20 ounces or 591 milliliters. So what I do is I have an old bottle here. It's lawnmower oil, see? And I just fill it up to the 20 ounces, which is right there. Can't see it because it's so old. But filled that up. That's my marker. Pour that right in there and we're good to go. All right, the oil's in it. Let's go ahead and prime it, start it up. Might smoke for a minute. So there might be some oil in the muffler, so I am going to go ahead and do some mowing with it, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's see if this thing will quit. Alright, well, it didn't do too bad. One thing we didn't check yet is the air filter. Check this thing out. Alright, whoa! What was going on in there? I think that one's a little dirty. So you can see it's pretty darn black from having too much oil in it. Yeah, that one's toast. Can't reuse that one, gentlemen. So we're gonna we are going to dispose of this one. We can't use that one anymore. I don't think blowing that off isn't gonna work, right? Am I getting you guys a good shot of this? So yeah, this one's toast. So we're gonna have to put a different one in there. Toast. Alright, so I got one that looks a little better. And I don't know about you guys, once you get a screwdriver in your hand, can you resist that or not? I can't resist it. So here we go. Let's put this one in there. Alright, let's start it up, see if it smokes. Keep that right there. See what's going on. See if that makes it sound better. Oh yeah, it's a lot better. Alright, the only thing I would like to do, put some seafoam in it, which I don't have at the moment. So I'll probably do that. We gotta wash it up and clean it up. Well guys, right there is Old Smoky, all cleaned up with the oil change. And running good. No more smoke. Running good. Old Smoky. All cleaned up. We got somebody ready to come and come get it. There's the kitty. Say hi, kitty. So guys, with the quick, easy backyard fix, they put too much oil into the machine and it gave it the Old Smoky. So that's why we named this Old Smoky. Now, if you put way too much oil in it, it's just going to come out into the muffler and going to start smoking like that. So that's one thing to check for. But sharpened the blades, got a new air filter in it, cleaned it up, looking good, and the customer is on the way. If you like what we're doing here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified every time a new video's out. Hey guys, there you go. There's another edition of MBO Backyard Fixes. I'm Rich with Mowers and Blowers OutDone. Hey,